First open Start and type Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab. Locate Epic Games Launcher. Right-click it and select End Task. Now open a folder. Go to C. Go to the View tab. Check Hidden Items. Open your Program Data folder. Open your Epic folder. Open Epic Games Launcher. Open Data. Open Manifests. Right-click the first item file. Select Open With. Click on More Apps. Select NOTEPAD. Press OK. Scroll down and locate the Install Size entry. Change the 0 for a 100. Click on File. Click on Save. Close your Notepad. If you have more item files in this folder, do the same to the rest of them. Open your Epic Games Launcher. Now your problem should be fixed.